example of the AP and GP, so you can understand what is the difference between the AP and GP. So our first example is 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 20. Okay, so चलिए इसको लिखते हैं हम. This is a term 1, T1 is equal to 2, term 2 T2 is equal to 4, T3 is equal to third, that is 6, T4 is equal to 8 and so on. Last term is known, T of n is equal to लिखेंगे T of n is equal to 20. Okay, so let's take difference of the two consecutive term. So first T2 minus T1 is equal to, what is the T2? T2 is 4 minus 2, it is equal to 2. Okay, next is T3 minus T2, it is equal to 6 minus 4, it is equal to 2. Next T4 minus T3 is equal to 8 minus 6, it is 2. So always check there is the difference between two consecutive term is a constant and we called it as D, that is common difference. So is this AP? Yes, it is AP because the difference between two consecutive term is a constant. देखिए 2, 2 and 2, that's why it is the AP. अब चलिए देखते हैं why it is a GP. So GP कैलकुलेट करने के लिए भी आपको ही सेम ही कैलकुलेट करना है. You have to write down the term 1, T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 4, T3 is equal to 8, T4 is equal to 16. लास्ट टर्म लिखेंगे हम T of n is equal to 1024 1024. Now see, when you are checking is it GP, then you have to take the ratio of two consecutive term. So T2 by T1. So what is T2? 4 by 2. Answer is 2. Calculate this, you will get 2. Next T3 by T2, it is equal to 8 by 4, it is also 2. Next T4 by T3, it is equal to 16 by 2, 16 by 8, so it is also 2. So see here we are taking the ratio and this ratio is common, so it is called as a R, that is common ratio. It is a major difference between AP and the GP. अगर आपका रेशियो कॉमन है, सेम है, then it is a GP, and if the difference between two consecutive term is a same, then it is a AP. Okay, now so इसमें हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं D common difference, and in this there is a R, that is common ratio. Okay, when to find out the particular term of AP, अगर आपने ये वीडियो देखा नहीं है, फॉर द AP मैंने एक स्पेशल वीडियो बनाया था AP के लिए. अगर आपने देखा नहीं है, फॉर बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स मैंने एक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दे दी है फॉर द अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, सो यू कैन गो देयर, क्लिक दिस लिंक, सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, वॉच दिस वीडियो, सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द कंसेप्ट्स ऑफ AP and what are the formulas. Okay, so next point, when you are finding out the particular term of AP, what is the formula to find out nth term of AP. So formula is T of n is equal to A plus n minus 1 of D. Okay. Now to find out the nth टर्म ऑफ GP, अगर आपको GP की पर्टिकुलर टर्म फाइंड करनी है देन फॉर्मूला T of n is equal to A r raised to n minus 1. This is the formula. What is the A? A is your first term and r is your common ratio and n is the number of terms in that GP. Okay. Now how to find out the sum of n terms? So to find out the sum of number of terms, there is a formula S of n is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 of d. So by using this formula you can easily find the sum addition of that particular AP. Now to find out the sum of the n terms of GP, formula for that is S of n is equal to A in bracket 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r. If see the ratio of, that is a common ratio, अगर आपका equal to 1 है, greater than 1 है and it is less than 1, इसके लिए sum of the formulas अलग अलग है, हम वो देखने ही वाले हैं. So S of n is equal to, यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला है A in bracket 1 minus r raised to n by 1 minus rn. So it is the difference between the T of n and the S of n. So हम कह सकते हैं for the arithmetic progression, it is there are the number of terms. So each consecutive term is add the common difference. So always जब हम terms लेते हैं in AP, ये जो term है next term वो उसमें हम common difference add करते हैं. So we can write the sequence of AP is first term is A, then second is A plus D. We are adding the common difference. Next A plus, again you have to add the D, that is 2D, then A plus 3D. So like this there is a sequence of a AP. And for the GP, the each consecutive term is multiply the common ratio. Therefore the sequence is A, then AR, then AR square, then AR cube, then AR raised to 4 and so on. So this is the sequence of AP and this is the sequence of a GP. So these are the basic concepts of the AP and the GP. So what are the formulas for the n terms which are depend on the R, ये हम देखने ही वाले हैं.